So yeah.
I do have a couple moments they have to push back. When they do push back, I'll probably have to
Right now, the vaccine. And like, who needs the rules to vaccine? None people know how to do it.
Of course.
When I came over here to vaccine, the whole time, right? I was sleeping. Sleeping. S-L-E-E-P. Sleeping. Like, I-N-G. The whole time.
Sorry, just missed what you said to me. Speak up a little more. There's a lot of ambient noise.
Can I have your tray table up, please?
Great, so I'll take a look at them and I'll email back. Generally, it's a state school, the salary will be fixed. You can always try to ask.
Please remove the safety information card located in the seat back pocket and follow along.
Just because it's always good to ask, even if they say no, right? It's good to
There are
learn
4
to
emergency
know and
exits.
see.
Each door is equipped with an emergency evacuation slide. 2 exits are in the front of the aircraft, and 2 exits are in the back of the aircraft. All exits are clearly marked with red and white overhead signs when illuminated. Floor level lighting will help guide you to the nearest exit. The safety information card details the location and operation of the exit nearest you. Remember, it may be behind you.
It's moving.
Your seatbelt must be fastened for taxi, takeoff, landing, and anytime the seatbelt sign is on. To fasten your seatbelt, insert the flat metal fitting into the buckle until it clicks. To adjust, pull the strap. To release, lift up on the buckle. Your seatbelt should be worn low and tight across your lap.
Here moving is basically the progress is doing.
Should oxygen be needed, a mask will drop from the compartment located above your seat. Pull the mask out of the clip. Then pull the mask to your face, placing it over your nose and mouth, securing it with the elastic band. Even though oxygen is flowing, the plastic bag may not appear to inflate. If you are sitting with someone needing assistance, put your mask on first, and then offer assistance.
Then we went to Boston instead.
Okay, well, we can talk about it. We can push it back.
In the unlikely event of a water landing, your seat cushion can be used for flotation. To remove it, simply pull up, place it to your chest, and put your arms through the straps as shown on the safety information card.
Probably.
For those with infants, life vests are provided on the aircraft. A description of the location, use, and operation can be found